Here's my son. We're mowing the grass with the new Ryobi. This is only the 16-inch deck cut. We got the 20-incher too, which we'll bring out next time we cut the grass. We got the mulching mechanism on it. I have to say, guys, on a half charge, I was able to do almost my whole yard except this little bit. So we put the battery on the charger for about 45 minutes. The only downfall is the battery does take forever to charge. So hopefully this has enough juice to finish this last little area here. Let my little munchkin here do his thing because he loves mowing the grass. Very lightweight, easy to push. It's not self-propelled, but I think with how lightweight it is, you really don't need a self-propelled battery-operated mower. I know they do make them. The bag, I don't think it's worth using, especially with a lot of grass with a big yard. I only recommend the 16-inch if you got a smaller yard, because it does take a little longer to cut as opposed to a 20-inch deck. But I will say that this mower is worth every penny. I got a phenomenal deal on it, and I couldn't beat it. So, and this is a 40 volt, not the 18 volt system. So the runtime on this is going to be much better, and it's a great mower, guys. Cuts very nice, clean cut. I mean, it just does a great job. I mean, it does. It cuts clean. I was super impressed. Super impressed with the quality of cut. Super quiet. The only thing you're really hearing is the wind of the blades. That's it. Other than that, I mean, this thing is just so quiet. This mower retails for $299.99. It's a $300 mower. I got it. It's been used 2 times. I paid $100 for it. Hell of a deal. And I'm going to sell it and flip it. Sell it for $250. This is mint condition, because I picked up a 20-inch and a blower for $200. So I'm going to make my money back plus some, and got a brand new 20-inch with a blower for $50. That's called flipping and dealing, baby. Flipping and dealing. That's how you do it, man. But another great product from Ryobi. Super pleased with it, and I love it.